I don't think people understand how transformative RTLS technology can be. Let's dive into how TechMotion's RTLS solutions are reshaping industries. Imagine continuous monitoring of assets and personnel with real-time visibility. With TechMotion's RTLS, you can set up geofencing to receive instant alerts whenever boundaries are breached. Need to analyze historical data? No problem. Our solutions provide insights to enhance safety protocols. In industrial facilities, RTLS ensures workers stay safe and workflows efficient. Geofencing keeps hazardous areas off limits, while real-time tracking prevents accidents. Healthcare benefits are immense. Track patients, staff and equipment in real time to ensure quick responses and efficient asset use. For oil and gas, safety compliance is critical. RTLS monitors personnel in high-risk zones, ensuring safety standards are met and accidents are avoided. TechMotion's RTLS technology enhances safety, boosts efficiency, and guarantees regulatory compliance. Ready to transform your operations? Choose TechMotion today.